a Dredfunn original production. Please sit back and enjoy.
Hey guys, Dredfunn here with another one of my epic video uploads. Well, hey, there's been a classic battle going on my channel for the past few years of who's my #1 time-lapse video. And the three big battles have been between Brock Lesnar, Habib Nurmagomedov, oh man, I mispronounced it, but anyways, the fighter known as Nurmi, as well as Tupi and Binu. I've done those three videos, and each one of them has over 5,000 views. And the Brock Lesnar one seems to have jumped to the head of the pack. It's got like 6,500, and it's still rising every day. So I decided to revisit Brock Lesnar, and why not draw him a little bit different than the original image, which I did in my pencil style, where I sort of show him doing a most muscular pose. By all means, check it out on my channel. It's already been uploaded years ago. But for this one, I decided to do an image of him with his grown-out beard and the slightly longer hair. This image itself was taken back prior to when he fought Cain Velasquez when he was still in the UFC. Currently, he is now a WWE fighter again. Recently lost the title after defeating The Undertaker and breaking his incredible WrestleMania win streak. I don't personally follow wrestling all that much anymore. My tastes lean more to the mixed martial arts. But I still love Brock Lesnar. Very entertaining. And because he's tops on my videos, I figured, like I said, I'd redo it. With this one, it was, a good one to do. It's always tough when you're drawing a tow-headed or a blonde-haired person, especially when they have a beard, because it can tend to be muddled and not translate as well when you're adding it all in. It can look a little too dark. But thankfully, I had a black and white image to go with, as well as the color image. Just ran it through my scanner and printed it off. So I got a good idea of what the gray tones would look like. And really, with this, once I do my pencil sketch, once I have the measurements down where the eyes, the nose, and the mouth are placed, once I got that all out of the way and I penciled it, shaded it, I also smudge it all out with my fingers, making it look nice. I then go ahead and use my eraser, which is my new secret tool, my secret weapon, and I highlight certain areas. It really does bring out the drawing and add a level to it that I like and I think looks really good when it's translated in this video that you guys are checking out. So I hope you guys like this. I'm glad that Brock Lesnar is my #1 video. It's more in line with the stuff I draw. Not that I didn't mind doing Tupi and Binu. I loved them, and my grandson was a big fan of his. He's a little bigger now, so not so much Tupi and Binu anymore. But I just remember how hard Tupi and Binu was compared to my Brock Lesnar and pencil, my realistic pencil. So anyways, this is just, a treat for myself for you guys to check out. I hope you guys like it. Maybe we can get this video off to Mr. Gruff there, Brock Lesnar. I don't know if he's on social media. I doubt it, but who knows? Maybe the fans can check it out and like it. Dredfunn out.
This has been a Dredfunn.com production. Thanks for watching.